Hello there, welcome. This is Now You Know Tarot, and I'm going to read for Virgo. I'm going to read 3 storylines. I'm going to get 2 oracles to start us off with, see what the energy is or what they have to say, see if that affects the read. I do 3 storylines. I use 3 different tarot decks. I'll let you know which ones I use. I'm going to draw one from the top, one from the bottom. All right, your first one out is higher consciences. Virgo, higher consciences. Look inside yourself. I'm getting a lot of meditation and self-analyzing, searching. Maybe there's a situation that you have to do that for. Lots of Virgos out there, so just take what resonates, leave the rest on the table. Sometimes my storylines do connect. If you have not subscribed, please watch to the end of my video. Maybe you'll change your mind. I would love to have you. So the first storyline I'm going to use is Dark Mansion. Now I kind of went a little cheap because I didn't know if I would like it. I love it. So I am going to upgrade on that. I started doing that when I started getting decks that I thought I really liked, and then it didn't know. I needed to slow down my purchasing. But I do like this one. First card out is the Four of Swords. Four of Swords is Libra's energy. To the Wheel of Fortune, which is Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius's energy. To the Six of Wands. Six of Wands is Leo's energy. To the Ace of Swords. Well, Virgo, I see somebody really needs a break. Needs a big break. Needs a rest or a vacation. So I see that you go on a vacation and you have a lot of good luck. A lot of good luck. You meet somebody that you marry. You end up getting married. And it seems to be like a very good idea, intelligent, logical. It is going to surprise everybody. Because if you wouldn't have went on that vacation, you would have not met that person or traveled. So it all came up to luck or fate, destiny. But, yep, somebody gets married. All right, second storyline. Four of Cups. Somebody, it's like, I don't want to say distracted, but it's like they don't see what's in front of them. They don't see what's in front of them, or they don't sense what's in front of them. And they are just feeling sorry for themselves. But if they just like pick their head up and look around, I think they'll see something that A is an opportunity or what they were desiring. It's like you can't see what's in front of you. To the Four of Pentacles. Somebody is trying to save something. It might be money, but it's like they're fearful of something, so they're trying to save it. Save it for the right time to talk to you. Because they can see it. You don't see it in front of them, so they're saving it to talk to you. Double card, Capricorn's energy. They're tempted to the Page of Cups. They're tempted. Virgo, they're very tempted to tell you. Now, this is a younger person. This is a younger person. But they're tempted to tell you, but they can't seem to see where it is the right time. So if you have a younger person in your life, hold off. Give yourself maybe a little you two time. You know, give them an opportunity. Maybe that's what they need. That's what I see. Hmm. Hmm. All right, let's see what the third storyline is. My third deck is Mystic Moments, and it's the same thing. I kind of want a little cheap. It's what I'm going to upgrade. Ten of Pentacles. Somebody maybe in debt, maybe unexpectedly. To the Knight of Cups. Maybe it had to do with love. If you spend something on a connection as a gift because it was very passionate, maybe you ended up spending more than you planned. To the Fool card. Oh, don't be irresponsible or reckless with this purchase. I keep getting it's a purchase. You weren't planning on spending as much money. So maybe you feel that it was also kind of reckless. Maybe you should have waited. So my rule of thumb is 5 or less. And you got 10. All right. We just want one more. This Knight of Cups is Cancer's energy, and they're the heartbreaker. I just get that you wanted to buy a gift and you ended up spending more money than you planned, and it was reckless. And I can't seem to get it off of that track. It keeps going on and on in my head. So, to the Judgment, you're starting to judge your decision. That's Scorpio's energy. You're starting to judge your decision, and maybe because you feel a little guilty that you spent too much money. Now you know. So thank you for popping in. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'm a growing channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.